Good morning, y'all. My daughter had a not good night's sleep. I am squinting because I have a cluster headache, which is always so much fun. So it's basically just as it's not really bad, but it's there. I just took a pill, so hopefully it'll go away soon. I am gonna go make breakfast though because I am starving. When she doesn't have a good night's sleep, she does tend to nurse a lot. But she woke up in a good mood, so at least it's not a good night's sleep, but good mood. Versus it being like good night's sleep and being super fussy. My husband took her downstairs thinking that she's off today, and he's like, take your time, and I'm starving, so I told him, like, I'm honestly more hungry than I am sleepy. So, it's starting to fade. The real bad cluster headaches don't go away fast at all. They're really bad. But yeah, I literally have it here, and then I do feel the pain here. But yeah, let's go make some breakfast and have some coffee. Definitely gonna take a nap when she naps today. My husband is probably going to as well. He had a bid for his new route for work. So we tired today.
Alright, started out as always making my coffee. So I put a little bit of chocolate in the coffee or creamers. And then, of course, my daughter has some nice milk with a little teeny tiny bit of cinnamon. And then that is it. I go take it to them. And then I am making bacon in the oven. I'm actually trying a different method. I did it with the boiler. This time, it makes it in like 10 minutes versus 35 when you use a regular oven at 350. So, egg, salt, pepper, and a little bit of milk. Scramble it up. Cutting up the mozzarella cheese. I am making French toast bacon grilled cheese. They taste absolutely delicious if you've never tried it. Now it's your little, telling you. Try it out. It's actually really, really good. You can also do it with sausage, but I really had a taste for bacon. And then I'm taking out the bacon from the oven, putting the cheese so it can start melting, then putting the bacon right on top of it, and then put it the other slice right on top and let it melt down. Cutting it up, and now it is time to eat breakfast. Of course, don't forget your syrup or honey. Some bacon and grilled cheese French toast. Bacon grilled cheese French toast, yeah, that's I guess what I'm calling it. Syrup, and I made some eggs and spinach for my husband. I mentioned it's gonna have her little grilled cheese with additional cheese on the side. I'd see if she eats any of it, but yeah, mine's actually over here. I didn't make eggs for myself. Alright, and here I am washing all the dishes from breakfast. I just want to take the time and say thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'm so grateful that you guys are here. Alright, so my husband and my munchkin both had a 2.5-hour nap. I didn't because I couldn't sleep. Story of my life. We are going to get some Portillo's chicken because I really have a taste for Portillo's chicken. And then we are going to Target. Wanna call Nana? Let's call Nana real fast. Alright, so we got 2 buttermilk bread for sandwiches. He got these 3 little Lunchables. And then got some cheese and some turkey. We got some protein powder pancakes and waffles mixed. String cheese for my munchkin. I wanted some noodles because I'm going to try a recipe. And along with that, we got this as well. And then I got some butter and some unsalted butter sticks. So for her praise, I use this green beans and I use these peas. And then speaking of parades, we decided to go ahead and purchase some pouches just to try them out. These have been, honestly, these and some from Costco have been the only ones that I've seen that's very, very low sodium and very, very low sugar, which is what I want. And these are literally on the go pouches for when I cannot make these and she keeps saying that she wants one. So I got apple and banana and apple and spinach. I got some yogurt. We're actually gonna have one of these right now. Got one more, the little goldfish. I got some baking stuff that I been running low on, so I have got some brown sugar, regular sugar, baking soda, baking powder, baking flour, my milk, my Munchkin's milk, and our coffee creamer. And someone wants her mom, so that is my grocery Target haul. I really hope you guys don't mind how rushed that little Target haul was. My Munchkin really wanted mommy, and my husband's actually not here at the moment. So, yeah, she really wanted me to pick her up. But yeah, that is what we had picked up at Target today. So I'm actually going to show you guys right now what we picked up tomorrow in the future for produce. Okay, so this is what we got at Aldi. I'm gonna make some noodles today. So this is what we got for us, chicken thighs. He got some more cream cheese. I do need mushrooms for the recipe. He didn't know which ones, so he got both. They already started eating some cookies. I needed some broccoli also for the meal today. Our bagels, favorite bagels in the world. You all need to try them. Bell peppers for the recipe. If you saw, I did buy a little one at Target. He finally found the big one at Aldi. So got that. Some orange juice for breakfast and some onions. So that's what we got at Aldi. And then we also got tortillas for what am I making for breakfast. All right, so we got a lot of bananas. We got 2 mangoes, strawberries, some pears, apples, oranges, my daughter and husband's milk, more of it, and some more of my milk. And then right now I'm actually going to go ahead and put all the groceries away that we got for the week. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys me doing that. All right, I like separating the cheeses and the hams in the drawers in the fridge. So that is what I'm doing here. Just so it could be a little bit easier, I could tell my husband it's in the cube all the way on the right-hand side. So then I go ahead and do a nice wipe down. I did miss a spot, which now I'm going to go clean as soon as I'm done filming this voiceover. And then, just put everything away. We got some ginger ale. My husband has been having a little tummy issues. So we got some of those, putting away the eggs. Why is this so satisfying to watch? And then, the milk. I'm organizing the fridge a little bit. We do drink a lot of milk here between my daughter, myself, and my husband. Putting away the produce. I did clean everything out, but I couldn't film that part because of my munchkin. Hope you guys don't mind. And it's kind of like a different angle, but I'm just playing, seeing what I like. Let me know what you guys like. Then, washing the fruits. I washed the strawberries, the pears, and the apples. All right, and then I did hand dry them. I didn't show that part, but then I am putting them in the fridge. Helps them last longer. I do rinse the oranges and the cuties because my daughter, for some reason, always wants to bite the outside. So, yeah. Alright, and really quickly, I mean, it's not super organized how I prefer it to be, but it's as good as it's gonna get right now. I have, the oranges, strawberries, mangoes, Home Chef, HelloFresh, eggs, stuff that I'm gonna cook soon, and the big old mayo. Some drinks, all the milks, and then coffee creamer. This is the onion, bell peppers, carrots, apples and pears, and then I have ham, cheese, and spinach and cookies and stuff like that in here. That's as good as it's gonna get right now. I do feel like I need better organization for fruit though, and produce.
fridge closed by itself. Alright guys, before we end today's video, please don't forget to leave a comment down below and like and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so I can get more of a following here on YouTube. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.